In this video we will understand the concept of communication. Let's start. Introduction. Communication is essential for human survival and influences our behavior. In a country like ours, it plays a crucial role in making people aware of development policies and motivating them to participate in nation building. The introduction emphasizes the importance of understanding communication concepts. Communication and its functions. 1. Communication. Communication is the process of exchanging information using various methods like spoken and written language, body language, and more. It involves transmitting messages from one person or group to another. Communication happens through different media, and it is the sharing of ideas, information, knowledge, attitudes, or feelings through symbols and signs. Communication is about sending thought-provoking ideas, gestures, actions, etc. 2. Functions of communication. Information. Communication imparts knowledge, meaning, and mental stimulus. Persuasion. It involves guiding people to adopt certain ideas, attitudes, or actions. Debate and discussion. Formal arguments and discussions help clarify different viewpoints. Instruction. Communication educates and socializes individuals. Entertainment. It provides pleasure and relaxation, often with underlying messages. Cultural promotion. Communication preserves and promotes culture. Integration. Communication fosters understanding and tolerance among individuals, groups, or cultures. Elements of communication. Communication comprises 5 key elements: message, sender, transmission medium, channel, receiver, and feedback. The message. It's the information being communicated. The communicator, the source of communication who encodes the message. Transmission medium, channel, the pathway through which the message flows. The receiver, the person who interprets the message. Feedback, confirmation that the message has been received and understood. Kinds of communication. 1. Intrapersonal communication. Communication within oneself, involving thought and self-reflection. 2. Interpersonal communication. Communication between individuals who are interdependent and in close proximity. 3. Group communication. Communication within groups of 3 or more people, with intimacy varying based on group size. 4. Mass communication. Communication to large audiences through mass media channels like newspapers, radio, TV, and the Internet. The 7 C's of communication. These are key principles for designing effective communication. Content. Determine what message you want your audience to remember. Context. Understand the situation and the context of your communication. Channels. Use established channels that the receiver respects. Clarity. Keep the message simple and clear. Composition. Plan how you will present your message both in writing and visually. Contrast. Use differences to draw attention to key points. Consistency. Maintain consistency in elements like color, fonts, and spacing to avoid distractions. These principles are important for crafting successful communication and ensuring that messages are understood and retained by the audience. Effective communication requires thought, planning, and attention to these elements and functions.